Hey guys, DanCBearded here. Please consider subscribing to this channel if you enjoy learning about your beard and you want to join a really positive community. Well, today I'm going to give you a quick hit tip on how to have a healthy beard and especially the skin underneath your beard. We're going to be talking about deeply exfoliating your beard once a week. Now, you should be exfoliating your beard more regularly than that with an average exfoliation every other day or so. My main way that I would exfoliate my beard and give advice to you guys is actually have a video on this, and that's taking a comb into the shower with you, and as you wash, as you co-wash, comb your skin. Not only is it going to detangle your beard, but it's going to exfoliate and really help the health on a more subtle side. But today we're going to talk about once a week deep exfoliation. So, what you should do and then why you should do it. What you should do is end a warm shower. I know, pause. I preach, I tell you about the benefits of ending with a cold rinse, but once a week outside of my normal getting ready, I'm going to take a warm shower and end it with a warm shower. For me, this will be nighttime because I get ready in the morning. So a nighttime warm shower for me, and then what you're going to want to do is get out of the shower, towel dry to about 40% dry. You just don't want your beard sopping wet, but you also don't want it dry. So somewhere in between sopping wet and dry is where you want to leave your beard. And then you're going to go for a oxhorn comb. An oxhorn comb is my choice. It can be any other really strong kind of wide tooth comb that's going to do the job really well. If you look up exfoliating your beard or exfoliating your hair and skin online, you're going to find a lot about these Boar's bristle brushes, which I love for styling though. I do not believe they do as good of a job as exfoliating, especially if you have a dense and longer beard. If you have a really short beard, you can probably do the job with a Boar's hair bristle brush, but if yours is my length or if it's nice and thick, there's no way these Boar's hair are getting to my skin around my chin. It's just not possible. This beard is ridiculously thick and dense. So I love this. I use it every single day for styling, not for exfoliating as you would read online. So the oxhorn comb, your beard's 50% dry or so after a warm shower. We are now going to go in and we are going to comb through the beard, but especially we are going to get this comb into the skin, and it's what I call raking the skin. You're going to go down and you're going to feel some pressure on putting on your skin. Not too much, you don't want to be overly aggressive, but enough where you're going through your skin. What this is going to do is have some amazing impacts on your health. What it's going to do is first, it's going to stimulate the capillaries, and that is going to promote health and promote beard growth, which is amazing. You want that. Secondly, it's going to remove any buildup that are in your pores. That's why we're taking a warm shower, because we want those pores opened up. And thirdly, probably most importantly, it is going to remove dead skin cells. When you shave every day, you're removing those dead skin cells and removing layers of skin, which is healthy for your face. Since we're not doing that, we got to find a way to get rid of those dead skin cells. Otherwise, they're going to build up and cause beard druff or dandruff. So when you're going through, especially the first time, you may find some white buildup or residue or gook on the end of your comb. That is perfectly fine. It is likely dead skin cells that have been building up on your surface of your skin and in your pores. So go through, comb through. Some of you will have more problem areas than others. For me, it's right around where my fangs are, that I call it, and around my chin, just in the goatee front area. I do get some dead skin that builds up there, just more than others, and that's just natural. You have other areas that have more dead skin than others. So go through, if you get some buildup, take it on a towel, just wipe it off, and keep going as you're getting into that skin. Make sure you get underneath and go up towards your chin as well. And this is really going to have some great benefits on your beard. It's going to keep it fresh. It's going to keep it healthy. Now, when that is done, go ahead and towel dry your beard to your likeness. For me, it's about 90% dry. I like to have a little bit of moisture in there to help move the product around. But remember, water and oil do not mix. So you don't want to be completely saturated when you're putting in these products, in my opinion. So afterwards, you're going to do a two-step plan, especially if it's at night. Step one is put in some beard oil to the skin. You've really deeply exfoliated now, opened up those pores, removed a lot of residue. Now we need to go in and nourish and repair that skin. So go in with your favorite beard oil for nighttime and then let it sit for 5 minutes. At least 5 minutes. More is better. Once you come back after those 5 minutes, get your favorite beard butter for nourishment at nighttime and work that into your skin and your hair. Beard butter is predominantly for the hair, but it also has some really good nourishing impacts for your skin. But you do want to get that oil in there first. I will forever and always, because of my research and my experiences, be an oil always guy. You need oil, everything else is a benefit. So that is how you can deeply exfoliate your skin, and I would borderline say you really need to if you want your beard to flourish and be at its healthiest. Warm shower, towel dry to about 50%, go in pretty aggressively, but not too aggressively, with the comb, remove the residue, and then nourish with oil and butter. That's gonna have a really nice and fresh impact on your beard. Question to leave you guys with: do you exfoliate on purpose right now? Is there anything that you are consciously doing to remove the buildup, to remove the dead skin from your skin? What do you do? And if you're not doing anything, are you going to try this method out? I think this is going to help out a lot of guys, and I think that first time when they deeply exfoliate and they see that white buildup on their comb, they're going to be kind of freaked out, but also glad that they watched this video. So thank you guys. I hope you learned something. DanCBearded, as always, stay bearded and stay positive.